Hello guys, welcome back to my Linux series tutorials. From previous tutorials we have created something like a folder and we inserted something in that folder using commands. So in this tutorial we're going to learn about using a text editor called Nano. Okay, now the first things from previous tutorials we learned is how can we navigate to a specific folders that we are interested with in Linux. We know that when you are here you can cd to desktop, is because it's where my files is located, cd to the folder we created, which is my name. Okay, and now we learned how we can list files in that directories. Then we can see the files we've created is there. Okay, now using a text editor that we are going to run now, which is Nano, I will tell you guys why do we need to use this text editors. Why can't we use something that has an interface? First of all, a Nano text editor does not have an interface. It's a terminal program. Okay, now why? The most reasons is that there's some case that you would need to add the files and the files, and you don't have the real system, so you don't have the system that is installed on your machines. It's a server. I mean, a server doesn't have the interface, it doesn't have anything, so it's command prompt, it's a terminal, right? So now in that case you will need some text editor which are powerful to edit your files. In this case we are going to run Nano. So say name, hit enter, go there. Now you can see from previous tutorials we have said that we have names and we lost names, so we can edit names. We can edit this document. Say the first name, the second can be this, the third name can be Joy, the third name can be the fourth name can be this. So you can write many names you want, but that is not the most interesting part in this file editor. So the most things I want to show you guys is to look down here, these things that they tell you to do on the document. You can see that you can use Control X to exit the application, or you can use Control O to write out, or you can read another files. But for most part we are going to see exit and we are going to see write. Okay, now the first thing you have to make sure is that if you want to exit, then you make sure that your files is saved. So let's try out and try to exit and see what's going to happen. Now I'm going to hit Control X, and the question will be asking you, did you save your files, or do you want to save your file? Because if you want to exit without saving your files, your changes are going to be destroyed in a short time. Okay, so in this case you need to confirm that you need to save your files for sure, or you need to discard changes that you made on the document, right? So now if you want to save changes, then you type Y, and when you type Y they ask you, that is to say, yes, I want to save these files, I'm sure that I want to save these files. And the next question will be, you really want to save the files with the the exact name that it has, or you want to modify, rename it to be something like another files you want to create a copy of. So now I'm okay with the names. I want to keep the same name as the original file name. So then you hit enter, then you're done. In order to see that you have made the changes, and you want to see if the changes you made have took the effect, so now go ahead and use the same procedures we did nano the name the txt, and you can see, wow, the name has been populated successfully. But we can also add another name called, maybe, what's the name I can put here? Elise. Yeah, now we added another name. So now we don't want to use the same procedures of exiting and after saving, we want to use Control O, which is jumping directly to where we want to write a file. So do we want to create a new file, or we would like to keep the same name as the original name? So hit enter to confirm, and you're done. Okay, but you're done, but the difference is that it brings you back to the editor, which means you are not out of this application. So you can keep editing. Say you want to add another name, Herbert, and you want to save that. Control write out the same name is written. You can see that lines is changing to 7, right? But now let's say that you're done to write your names in your files, and you want to exit the application. So now, as we did for the first time, you Control Z, but the difference is that it doesn't prompt you to save the files. You know why? Because you have already done that when you were hitting Control O. Okay, I think this is understandable. Now if you can read it, you can see that all names are populated, and you have all names you want, and that's it. Now in this tutorials we've learned how to use nano. We have learned how to use this command exit and how to use this command O. Now in next tutorials we will not proceed with this nano, because I think these are basics you can get from this text editor, and for more other features I will be showing you guys can be somehow advanced, and the purpose of this tutorials is to get you started with Linux and know how to start using command prompts. So in future coming tutorials we'll be talking some advanced commands that you can do with this nano program. Thank you for watching these tutorials, and if you like it, please subscribe and share to your friends, and don't forget to like it if you liked it. Thank you so much.